Hey everyone, just a few things to remember when you're creating your causal visual argument. So first off, make sure you're considering one of these three questions for your general purpose. So remember our general versus specific purpose. So your general purpose is going to be one of these three things: to either care about your issue, to get people to act or to make progress on an issue, or to change firmly held unquestioned beliefs. That's going to be your general purpose, and then your specific purpose is going to be whatever your whatever topic you've decided on, either the effects of social media or the effects of climate change. When you pick your topic, make sure you make it specific. Make sure you don't just say the effects of climate change and then just say, ice sheets melting, hurricanes happening. Those are all kind of really, really large ideas, and they're also a little bit of course where everybody already knows about them. So try to think about something that maybe people aren't thinking about. So effects of climate change, I put here like maybe the effect of climate change on coffee. Are you gonna be able to get your morning cup of coffee every day, or some other commodity crop? Maybe you could talk about maybe single-use plastic and how that's contributing to climate change, or the loss of pollinators, and how that's actually more of an effect of climate change. And that's fine. You can absolutely do the effects of climate change, but you want to offer your readers something that they don't already know about. And the same thing if you choose social media. So give us something that maybe we're not quite aware of, or that you think your audience might not be aware of. Also make sure it's a culturally significant topic. So make sure it's something that actually has some sort of relevance. The other thing that I wanted to highlight here with this essay, we're going to be doing a different paragraph, a paragraph model or a paragraph tool to kind of help us come up with our ideas. Remember, we're going to create a slideshow, and then we're going to speak our explanation. That's basically what we're doing. So in your PowerPoint, you are going to have, where am I at here? Okay, we are going to have in your PowerPoint itself, you're going to have your topic sentence. It's going to be explicit there somewhere on your slides. Your support is going to be explicit somewhere on your slides. Remember that support is going to be visual. So this support might be some sort of stylized quote, right? So maybe you take a quote from a source and then you play with the font face and you play with the font color and the font size. This piece of support might be a graphic. This one right here might be some sort of table or something like that. So your support will be visual. And then when we do the explanation and transition, that's going to be the verbal part. So that's the part that you're going to be speaking over your slides. And so to help us make sure that we are adequately explaining how that support proves our claim, I've given you guys this tool here at the bottom of the prompt to help you do that. And I really, really recommend that you guys take the time to fill this out. So go ahead and you can just copy and paste this into your own version of Google Doc, but go ahead, write your topic sentence out here, then paste your piece of support, and then just spend some time creating your bullet list. So bullet points of how you want to explain how that support proves that topic sentence. What transition could you use? And you'll just do that again and again. And then this can be kind of your notes, your kind of speaking notes, so that when you're giving your presentation, you don't kind of just blank out here and just say, well, I really like this picture, or this graph shows this, and you just kind of restate what's on the graph. And so you want to always kind of be prepared whenever you're going to do some sort of presentation. And I think this little tool here that's listed at the bottom of the prompt will help you kind of create your kind of notes that you'll use when you actually give your presentation. Okay, let's go back up into other things that I just wanted to make sure that you're thinking about. So we're going to be using the set. You want to make sure you are avoiding of course reasoning, so those things that we already know about. So we've already kind of know that those are the effects. Make sure you're thinking about how your visuals are helping both appeal to pathos, so trying to get your readers to feel something, and then also they are establishing your credibility, your ethos appeal as well. And then finally, make sure your slides are organized in a way so viewers are really clear when you're moving to a new topic sentence. So have some sort of consistent pattern, use repetition so that it's really clear kind of where each of your paragraph ideas are located. And then finally, make sure that each source that you use, so for each one of these pieces of support, you should have the citation there right at the bottom of it. And usually that citation is kind of small, but it should be really clear where you've gotten those different visuals from, wherever you pulled them from online. Okay, and again, after you have your presentation done, your slideshow done, make sure you kind of do your little self-check, grade yourself using this rubric. Again, this is exactly how I'm going to be grading your essay, so it's really important to kind of go through this as kind of like a checklist just to make sure you covered everything that was required on the essay. Okay, you guys, have fun. We'll talk soon. Bye.